All right, we're ready. We're ready. So we're going to go ahead and review the quiz. So we're going to start with what we just ended with, which is a power to a power. And remember, when you see power to a power, that means you're becoming more powerful. So you have to multiply because 2 times 5 is bigger than 2 plus 5, right? So just try to remember that and you'll be good, all right? Because a lot of kids get confused. All right, so let's do this. Here we go. Number one, we'll do A. Try that one. X to the power 7 raised to the third. All right, try that. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Do it the long way. You have x to the power 7, and you're going to show it to me 3 times. All right, so x to the 7 times x to the 7 times x to the 7, right? So do I multiply because it says multiply? No. When it's exponents, when you lay them all out, right, you just add them. Well, mister, show me. What do you mean? Well, look. What's x to the 7? X times x times x times 7. 7 of them. Oh, if I do 7, 7, 7. Oh, x to the power 21. See that? X to the power 21. So the easiest way to do it is when you have a power to a power, you're going to multiply with muscles, right? So there you go. 7 times 3 is 21. Got it? All right, let's do another one. B. Go ahead. Try that one. Is a to the power of what? 20. A to the power of 20. Very good. Nicholas, b to the power of what? Nicholas. Nicholas, did he escape? Where's Nicholas? So there you go. So you got, remember, some answers might be A, B, C to the 65. You're like, wait, yeah, if I add them, I get 65. Yeah, but that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. All right. So don't fall for those traps. Like Frederico. Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for that trap. Thank you, mister. No problem, Frederico. All right, Frederico. Here's a little kind of like a clue, a hint, a trick, just an easy way. If you have a power to a power like this because of the parentheses, so basically a parentheses to a power is a power to a power, right? So everything has to have an exponent. So put an exponent on everything. So the A has the 5, the B has the 3, but what about the 4? What does that have? 0? No, it has the invisible what? 1. So now you go ahead and you multiply. Even the 4, because a lot of kids are going to go 4 times 2, 8. No, no, don't do that. Don't do that, bachata. No. So again, it's 4. So 1 times 2 is 2. All right, leave it like that. Then you're going to do the next one. 5 times 2 is 10. But what did I forget? I forgot the A. Don't forget the A. And the last one is what? Graper. What's B? B to the what? B to the what? 6. Ooh, yeah, right there. All right, 6. Now, they might have this as an answer, but then you're like, wait, they don't have 4 to the power of 2. All right, well, what's 4 to the power of 2? 4 times 4. And what's 4 times 4? Robert, what's 4 times 4? Yeah, it's 16. So there's your answer. All right, 16. A to the power of 10. b to the power of 6, and that's it. All right, so now hopefully you guys are. Hey, mister, this is a tricky one. What are you trying to do? Well, sometimes tests give you tricky ones. Yeah, but don't trick us. Well, I want you to be prepared. Oh, okay. So go ahead and do it. All right, so remember, what's power to a power? Well, not 3. That's not in the parentheses. It's only this. See that? Only that. So remember what I said, everything should have an exponent. So the y doesn't have anything, so I'm going to put a 1. Okay, I'm going to put a 1 right there. All right, so now let's go ahead. 2 times 2 is, yeah, 4. And then 3 times 2, x to the 6. And then 1 times 2, y to the power of 2. But what happens to this 3? Does it become 36? No, now you have to multiply it. So keep the parentheses and you're just going to drop it down. See that? Just drop it down. Now what can we do? Well, 6 to the 4. Now, does anybody have a calculator? So there you go. So again, 6 to the 4th. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 1, because there's no exponent. Just put the 1. All right, 1 times 2 is 2. And then don't forget the 3. All right, that's on the outside. But mister, why don't we do 1 times 2? Because that's not being raised to the power of 2. That's like an outsider. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, you're not working out with us. Hey, but I just joined the gym. Yeah, but you gotta wait, man. We're working out. You're late. Oh man. All right, that's cool. I'll wait till you guys multiply and do all that stuff. Then I'll join in. All right, cool. So that's what you do, right? You do the multiplication and then you do the 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. All right, dude, we're ready for you. Oh, cool, man. All right, I'm ready. Yeah, but we're done with the problem. Oh, man, that's not fair. Well, next time you got to be earlier, right? Oh, man. See, so this person, they multiply, but they're done with the problem. They're done working out. So sorry. All right. All right. So, how do I do this? So, remember, this is not a power to a power. But mister, there's a power and there's no, no, no. Remember, you're a power raised to a power. All right, you're gonna raise it. This one you're not raising it. They're just working out. They're just like, hey, let's just join in. All right, cool. But they're not drinking protein shake. They're not doing the heavy weight. They're just like, let's just join together. Hey, can you work out with me? All right. So the x with the x, so that's going to be x to the power of 9. They're just working out together, right? That's a good analogy, actually. And then what about the y's? Y's, yeah, they're just working out together. All right, 3 plus 2, that's 5, right? See that? Y to the 5th, right? Now, what about the numbers? See, the numbers, you're going to multiply. So what's negative times a negative? Negative times a negative is a positive. Remember, stand and deliver. Negative times a negative is a positive. One more time. Negative times a negative is a positive, right? So it's positive. And then 5 times 3, 15. 15, and there's your answer. Okay, that's it. Cool? All right. How many people got it right? You guys don't have that thumbs up, huh? Thumbs up. All right. We're ready. We're ready. Let's go ahead and do this problem. Woo, woo. Oi. All right, so what do we do? Let's work on the exponents, right? Oh, mister, A and B and C don't have an exponent. So what am I going to put? Yeah, invisible 1 on all of them. A, B, and C. Okay? Now, you could do that for the 2 as well. You could do that. It doesn't matter. So now we got what? 2, right? 2 to the how many? Oh, yeah, 2. So you're going to add these 2, right? A to the what? Well, you got 4 and 1, that's 5. B to the what? You got 3 and 1, that's 4. Remember, they're just working out. They're not they're not going to be massive. They're just, doing the weights, nothing routine. They just want to have a toned body, right? The power to power, they would want to be like bodybuilders, like, all right? And then the C to the what? Anybody. C to the what? Type it in. Anybody. Oh, someone said it, but yeah, 6. C to the 6. Now, I could do 2 to the power of 2. So remember, 2 times 2 is what? 4. So 4A to the 5th, B to the 4th, C to the 6th, and there's your answer. Okay, you see that? And there's your answer. Good job, good job. Good job. So if you got it right, put a little check. You got it. 4 checks. All right. All right, let's go and do the next one. Here we go. All right, go ahead and do this one. G. Go ahead, type it in the chat. Woo-hoo. Go. What's your answer? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, or D. Don't look at other people's answer because you never know. A, B, C, D. I see some answers, but I don't see everybody. Come on. A, B, C, or D. Woo, 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 woo. C, yeah, Simone. Woo-hoo. All right, so I hope you understand it. It's like, oh, I get it. See, because what you're doing is you're confusing it with this one, right? You're confusing, oh, just multiply the numbers. But remember, this has an exponent. So 4 to the power 3 times 4 to the power. Let's do another one, all right? So here we go, H. So let's do negative 3 to the power of 2 times negative 3 to the power of 5 times negative 3 to the power of 7. All right? So here we go. I'm going to give you multiple choice, okay? Multiple choice. Woo, woo. Here we go. All right, here we go. Which one's your best answer? A, B, C, or D? Come on. Type it in. All right, yeah. Mentiras. Oh, I didn't record it. So on this one, again, 3 times 5 is 15, and I have x to the power of 5, but I need 15. So we're just working out. We'll just bring 10 more people. All right, let's work out. Come on. All right, cool? And that's it. So I hope you guys got it right. And that's it for the review.